2, now we got our calories. Awesome. Do we eat whatever we want? Eat whatever we want in moderation, right? That's what everybody else says. No, I do not believe that. There's a reason I've got women with PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid losing over 100 pounds in less than a year. They're not eating whatever they want. You're eating 1,200 calories. Why aren't you getting results? Because of the under eating. But, when you actually take in the right amount of calories, you don't have to track macros anymore because we're eating real food. When you hit your calorie goal with meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit, dairy other than milk, unless you don't want to do dairy, I get it. I definitely don't drink milk though because the amount of sugar that is added to milk, it's craziness. But you hit your calories every day eating real food. Majority of your calories are going to be coming from the meats anyways. So for instance, I do 2,400 calories per day. So I divide it by 3. So I do 800 calories per meal. I do True Meal in the morning, so I really do 1,000 calories per meal. So I do True Meal in the morning, which is the best meal replacement protein shake anywhere you can get. It's 50 grams of protein, 13 grams of MCT oil, 0 sugar, gram of carbs. It's 400 calories to actually stay full. I stay full 3 to 4 hours on it. I drink it before I go to the gym. So there's 400 calories. Then for my next meal, it's gonna be 1,000, and then dinner it will be 1,000 calories too. So what I like to do is do about 700 to 800 calories coming from the meat, fatty meats, chicken thighs, ground beef, ground sausage. I'll show you tips and tricks on how to actually add more calories in instead of having such big meals, because you'll start to find out pretty quickly it is tough to hit your actual calorie goal eating the real food. Because when you add rice, pasta, breads, tortillas, it's so easy to overeat. There's tons of calories in it. But the blood sugars skyrocket. And when blood sugars skyrocket, the insulin skyrockets. So when insulin skyrockets, when insulin is present in the body, you're not burning body fat anymore. Insulin is a hormone. Insulin's a hormone. If we can control that hormone, it's crazy what starts to happen with the body. So that's why I've got women who are type 2 diabetic, who are getting lower insulin, aren't having to shoot up as much insulin. I've got people getting off different drugs and stuff like that, and it's all because of the food. Because step 2 on how to lose body fat, where your calories come from, really does matter. And that's the pleasure of it. We don't have to track macros anymore. We really don't even have to use all these different confusing apps on how to track calories. And doing this is because you have a game plan now. You have your calorie goal. Divide your calorie goal up by 3. And that's how many calories you do for each meal now. Once you do it that way, it's a game changer. You go out to eat, you go out to breakfast, you go out to lunch. Awesome. Look at the menu, pick a meat and a veggie. If it's a salad, add an extra chicken breast or add extra steak or ground beef to it, throw it on there, boom, done. You'll never go wrong hitting your calories with meat and veggies. And if the calories aren't on there, it's okay. You've been tracking calories for a while now. You're gonna be okay going out to a steakhouse, going to seafood, going out to wherever you guys are going for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Pick a meat and a veggie. If you know it's not gonna be very high in calories, add an extra protein source with it and you'll absolutely be golden. So 1, we're tracking calories, and now 2, we're eating real food. Any meats, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit. Like I said, majority of your calories are gonna be coming from the meats. So the tip on how to add extra calories to your veggies is adding the salad dressings to the veggies. So a vinaigrette, check the sugars on it. You don't want 10, 12, 30 grams of sugar with your salad dressing. So, and then with the spices and seasonings, pick any spices, any seasonings you want.